Today, I'm going to show you the GE Roll Easy Vacuum Cleaner. This is from the mid-1950s. And it was made during a time when even your everyday cleaning tools were beautiful and stylish. As you can see, it's painted a beautiful turquoise blue. It features 12-inch wheels on each side, cylinder shape. There's the side of it with the switch. And here's an actual print ad of the vacuum cleaner. It was touted as the vacuum cleaner that you never had to lift. As you can see, it would follow you upstairs, downstairs. It's very easy to pull. And as you can see, it originally retailed for $69.95. I'm going to very quickly just kind of turn it on and just show you how it works. And even after all these years, it still works great. Thanks for watching.